Umutirang ba ukon sang mahaga sito ding ang baka jing singan baka jing yada yaki pai ba ka jala ka dei ka mat ka bakmat do e jong sarkar MDA haka ba play ka baling ka bathama jong ka balang khana police outpost ka badan pa was kasir district ka malang khana ka dei ka snong ka badan pa mar kham bar ka Assam bar ka diru ka Jaka ka jumi ba ki jing yakan an namar ka jingwan panibor jing na Assam ha ki por ba le no bar businu ka ni ka jing kana ka lam Jingīakulmar ka bajur bar ka bachar kai ba Ulang ru bakum kini kijing tay kata Pulit ki sami ru ake Jaka ke bajumi ki huri hura akalang ki Jaka jong ke jala khnang ban penting kena ya ke jingya da ya la ki jong kinok song snong mujang ba ora pentip ru pakam marang khana police outpost ke bathamai ontai lembaga police infrastructure renovation fund kabra ai mata sha baro ki superintendent of police barken don la ke jong ke pisa akaban penekam ya ke jing maramat atau mante jing tay ki bathamai hala ke jong district kam da don kam sim ya ke jing munjor na ka sarkar jala hagi juga por ulo angru baka jingero hagi juga por mucang ba ulo age jingero aru ki pai ba ka malang khona ke bron chama penyerap ka sarkar da ka batrai kum kinang bala ba kum juru ban ai kitar shoya ka ne SP jong ka west kasir district ubikam sangma ulo pentep ka ni ka Pulit outpost ka de ka basang na du usnam arja khat kandai ya ka beding la te ya ka jinor ka ba kanyo panchan lak tengka na ka police infrastructure renovation fund
Tentang nek kanirang ko na simang chabrongi dalo janggi thangingam. Aro edakpa infrastructure aro outpost aro security ko ya area ni mandirang nam sumot.
We are here in Malangkona today, and as you've seen, we've just inaugurated the new building of the Malangkona outpost, and this has been a very long pending demand of the people out here. And there are two things I would like to specifically mention about this. Number one is that this is a very strong message and a symbol that safety and security for people is important, and that's why we have all come here to be part of this program. And we want to show that it won't be just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that while the money came for the materials and all from here, the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state. So I would encourage that other locations also, when there's such type of projects come up, if the community can be part of the project, it sends a very, very strong message. So I congratulate our Honorable Deputy CM in charge of Home Police and all the officials who have made this project a success. Thank you very much.